Hello viewers, today we are going to see some of the equipments we have in firefighting pump room. This is our firefighting pump room as you have seen it. So we have these gate valves. The way how you have seen them, this one is for the electrical pump. Then we have a monitoring switch which is always fitted on a gate valve, and this is the one. It is called a tamper switch. So when it is mounted on a gate valve, you will be able to interface a gate valve to a fire alarm system. So this is the way how it looks like. So we are going to learn how to fix it and connect it to the fire alarm system. Before we proceed, I urge everyone, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share the video, like the video. Okay, let us proceed. So before we proceed, let me first show you some of the tools which we need. This one, when you see these ones, these are screws. So you use this Allen key. So you may also need multimeter, plier, this spanner for tying these screws. So these are some of the tools which we need. So let me open this Potter switch. The brand is Potter. It is a tamper switch. It is called a gate valve tamper switch. Now, what we do, we are going to open this one. I show you some of the connections which are inside. I have already opened the switch. When you look here, we have connections. These are contacts. You can see here we have COM, we have NC, we have NO. But during interfacing, we want COM and NO. So when you check, we have this one. It is a limiting switch. When you check, there is also this smaller switch, this one. This is where the trick is. So when this one is triggered, this switch will change from NC, then to continue to be there at NO when this one is triggered. So what is needed? Let's go to the valve and see. When you come to the valve, here we have a bend. Here we have a bend. So you should make sure your starting point of the valve, which is normally open, this limiting handle, the one for limiting switch, it has to be touching here at the bend, this one. So when you are fixing this one, you must do what you should balance this one such that this switch is normally closed. When it is sitting here, it will be normally closed. This is the place where you should connect it. It has to be there. So when you close the valve, this switch, it will move. When it moves, it means a normal. When you press the multimeter between COM and NO, it will show continuous. So if you succeed in that, it means you will have got it right. I think that's all. That is the simple explanation. The trick is around here. When you can align this one properly and mount it here on the gate valve, you will have got it right. So our next part, we are going to see how to fix it and connect it to the fire alarm. This is the fire alarm cable. So it is the one which is interfacing this one. So this valve, it is normally open. This one is a suction. It is a gate valve which is connected to the suction line. It is usually normally open. If someone wants to work on this one, if you want to isolate here, you can close it. Okay.